The best foods are simple foods. This recipe for grilled turkey with rosemary butter shows you how to cook a turkey perfectly with just 4 simple ingredients. Aside from the standard comfort dinner of turkey, gravy, and mashed potatoes, there are so many ways to use a whole turkey. Using only oranges, rosemary, salt, and pepper to season a turkey might seem too simple to be any good. But with just a couple flavors, each stands out and becomes a defining element of the dish. Grilling your turkey as opposed to roasting it in the oven is flat out brilliant. The smoky flavor from the grill adds another dimension to this juicy meat. In addition, it keeps your kitchen oven from heating up the entire house, making this dish something you can do year-round. If you don't have oranges, you can substitute lemons. Thyme sprigs work well too, if rosemary is too overpowering for you. Dice some breast meat and make turkey salad. Shred some of the darker meat to make turkey pot pies. And use the carcass to create a turkey stock for soups. The possibilities are endless. Simple, delicious, and useful. It doesn't get much better than that.